Good morning, children. Today topic, public facilities. Already have been told. Public facilities means mostly public facilities are provided by government. Means roads, water supply, electrical power, etc. But today some facilities are arranged by ourselves. That is depend upon our income level. Some states are very development, more facilities are provided to people in society. Different states are provide different facilities to people. So all states are not equal development. Money is most important for us. No problem, there is no doubt about that. But money is not only, money is most important for our part of the life, but money is not buying everything. Money is not buying everything. Remember that. For example, you are living in society. Already I am told day by day, in our society, pollution is increased. More problems are created. Some people are there, no proper jobs. There are no proper food. There are no proper facilities. So that time, for example, more money is there. For example, one person, Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani, Tata, Birla, some person have more money is there. Some crores of money is there. So the persons are not buying with money everything. Sir, what is this, sir? You have some doubt, sir. Money is there, you buying everything. That is your thinking. But my opinion is not correct like that. Why? For example, you are living in society. You want a pollution-less society. What did I say? Pollution-less. Now today very pollution. More total polluted. Total pollution. You want a pollution-less society. You are ready to pay money to government. Sir, I am living so and so street, so and so area. Total my surrounding area. Please remove the pollution. I will ready to pay the money. That is possible? That is possible? Remember, you ready to give the money. You want a pollution-less society surrounding yourself. That is possible. You are not buying with money pollution-less society surrounding yourself. That is impossible. So, some are not buying with money. Today, more money, some people, rich people are there, more rich people are there, very settled families are there. They want a fresh atmosphere, fresh water. For example, river water is there. In river water is today also polluted. For example, Godavari river is there. Godavari river born near Western Ghats in Maharashtra, Triambak in Nasik district, Triambak. The river moving through the Maharashtra and Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, lastly joined in the Bay of Bengal. When flowing through the three states, which is the wastewater from Mumbai city, some other city, the water mix into the Godavari water. Means water is also polluted. That's why you are not buying with money all things. Today in our society, so many people are poor people are there. They have no proper food. There are no proper facilities. That's why government should be provide to them even minimum food grains to them. That is our government duty. In 2013, central government one act is prepared in parliament. passed also. National Food Security Act. National Food Security Act. As per Act, everybody have a food security is there. Who are the poor peoples are there. The poor people should be have a one right food security. That's why government of India or state government provide the food grains to poor people through the PDS. What is meaning of PDS? PDS means public distribution system. PDS means public distribution system. Means known as ration shops. Known as ration shops. You know ration shops? Now Telangana government given 1 rupee kg rice. Every person 6 kgs. For example, in your family, 5 members are there. 5 into 6, 30 kgs rice that they are provide. That is called PDS. PDS means public distribution system. In our society, so many white card holders are there, and also poorest peoples are there. Government given different cards, food security cards. So government should be provide the food grains to them. Another facilities to poor people. For example, we will discuss about the HDI. HDI means HDI means Human Development Index. Human Development Index indicators. There one more question in exam. What are the indicators of HDI? Human Development Indicators. Per capita income is not a exactly Human Development Index indicators. What is that? Human Development Indicators. Human Development Index indicators mainly 2 is there. Health and first one health, second one education. When government is provide the free health service to poor people through the government hospitals. Today so many poor people are suffering different diseases. In government hospital there are no proper facilities. When that is very expensive, they went to the private hospitals. Their economical conditions are very poor. That time they not take the proper medicine. The diseases are not controlled. That time they totally collapse. Within short period, they become very short period, they lost their life. So education and health is both important for Human Development Index. Human Development Index and per capita income also. Per capita income, Human Development Index and education is most important of the Human Development Index. Today, in our society, so many poor people are there. Their economical conditions are very poor. That's why government of India, state government give the food grains to them. Some other goods are given. Provide the medical services. Provide the free and compulsory education. As per Education Act, government should be provide the free and compulsory education to children. And government also provide some facilities to the poor people. When government are doing like that, Human Development Index is increased. When Human Development Index is increased, our lifespan means lifespan means how many years you are alive. That is how many years you are alive. That is known as lifespan. Thank you.